the stage, please welcome from Brooklyn, New York, the Takeover, Teofimo Lopez, and the reigning and defending WBO and lineal junior welterweight champion from Prestopans, Edinburgh, Scotland, the Tartan Tornado, Josh Taylor. First on the scale, the Takeover, Teofimo Lopez. Let's weigh in the champion from Prestopans, Edinburgh, Scotland, the Tartan Tornado, Josh Taylor.
Ready for tomorrow night.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our main event, 12 rounds for the WBO and Ring Magazine Junior Welterweight Championships of the World. From Brooklyn, New York, the Takeover, Teofimo Lopez. From Prestopans, Edinburgh, Scotland, the Tartan Tornado, Josh Taylor. Teofimo Lopez, Josh Taylor, 12 rounds for the WBO Ring Magazine Junior Welterweight Championships of the World. It all goes down tomorrow, Saturday, June 10th, from the theater here inside Madison Square Garden, 6:15 Eastern on ESPN+. Then we move over to the network ESPN at 10 o'clock Eastern. 12 rounds for the WBO and Ring Magazine. Magazine Junior Welterweight Championships of the World, the Takeover, Teofimo Lopez, the Tartan